my name is James Willis and I'm an applications engineer at National Instruments, and this is my myFloppyDriveQuartet. It uses the basic principle of frequencies and stepping motors to generate tones, and by doing that you take a MIDI source file, convert it into a format that's understood by the program and assign it to be played on each of the floppy drives. Each of the floppy drives uses pulse width modulation to generate that correct tone, and then one more digital line to set the direction of the stepping motor. In each case, each floppy drive has 80 steps forward and 80 steps backwards. Using these 80 steps and dedicated counters within the FPGA, this allows us to set the direction to make sure that the stepping motor does not go beyond its limits. This is my data dashboard for myFloppyDriveQuartet. The data dashboard allows you to show and control network shared variables that are generated by any VI. In this case it's the VI that's going to be running on the myRIO. Once you've loaded up this, simply push the play button and they'll connect to the network shared variables that are generated by the myRIO. Simply choose the song you'd like to play and then push the play button. You'll see that the LED goes red to indicate the song is playing and the time code starts counting. The indicators here show what the current note is playing on that various floppy drives. You can also use the transposes switches here to move them up or down an octave, but these are preloaded by the software, so shouldn't need to be changed. If you had enough of a song, you can simply push stop and you may choose another song. You'll notice that the LED has gone out and the time code has stopped ticking up. Then push play again. If you'd like to stop a song, simply push stop again. Once you're in this stop state as well, you may also use the stop RT to stop the VI completely from running on the myRIO. All these are shared via the local Wi-Fi network generated by the myRIO. So all you need to do is connect to the Wi-Fi network created by your myRIO, which in my case I've called myFloppyDriveQuartet. This is something that you enable within Macs when it's connected to a computer, and simply once you've done that, it connects to the network share variable generated by the VIs, and that's all you need to do. However, if you need to change the Wi-Fi address or the IP address of the myRIO, simply go to the controls, click Migrate Server, and you can put in a new IP address or server name that the network share variables are located. Thank you for listening, and as always, have a look in the links below for any documentation on our community page, where there'll be downloads for the VI itself and the setup of the system if you'd like to try and replicate it. So thanks for listening and enjoy.